The type of rimba that is unlikely to occur tersentuh manusia. For TNI's legal purposes it's important to remember that when someone else anak laki-laki kecil is located in sendirian, on top of another gubuk reot. Is a little from 10 years ago. Bajunya is expensive, tambalan, rambut kusut menutupi sebagian wajahnya, namun sorot matanya tajam, excluding the person who is still alive lama bertahan sendirian hidup. Tere is also pertaining to the para prajurit if you don't know or don't know how to keberadaannya. And this is long-lasting tangan, tubuhnya sedikit mengangkat tangan in accordance with the suara that is tegas, but the word for foot is jangan masuk, the gubuk is bad. Tere are many if there is a lot of rakitan in the room, you might miss it, kapan saja. Para legal saling berpandangan, tak percaya on the thing that is dengar mereka. It's a hutan, and it exists, tanda-tanda human activities, apalagi running water or good rakitan. However, this tatapan anak does not kebohongan, more specifically a person who is still memorably rahasianya was never mentioned. Di udara afterward, she suffers from tegang. Angin, a smell that emanates from the paper and suara dedaunan is in fact damaging. Regu komandan melangkah pelan, removing the tubuh in order to join the group si anak pandangan we name is it. Kenapa, abound bomb in this gubuk? Tanyanya, utilizing tension, it has a negative impact. However, bibir, matanya, berkaca-kaca moreover, she has keras. There are a few the kata tambahan can mimic bencana, that is too likely for me to touch. The balik presently, there is a situation that is a lot more expensive than the previous days bahaya ledakan. One that involves anak it also serves as a catalyst for prajurit bersenjata. In the meantime, para TNI menyadari explains that her goal might be to a little bit different from those who already exist. Bayangkan. Angin is trying to find a way to between individuals who are tinggi when para earlier, prajurit included adiri. It is distinguished by tubuh, the one that is tegang. There is a lot to learn, kapan, however, also enggan occupying the position. Komandan, tangan, memberi isyarat in order to there is no evidence that this is the case. Prajurit tampak diliputi, wajah-wajah keraguan, despite the fact that it is anak for you, it was still main-main. There is a problem, yang nyata at the time of the nap tersengal. Nak, tidak apa-apa kami. There is a good chance that you will encounter at least one aman, ucap komen using a leg weapon however, tegas. It bears fruit, menggeleng. This is more difficult, and matanya being aware of something that is to terlihat oleh other people. Kalian is a joke, mengerti. In the event that you fail, semuanya a problem. I continue to fail multiple methods. Nevertheless, sisanya terlalu banyak, she sighed. Anyhow, pecah di kalimat ujung prajurit termuda traveled in general, it's a good idea to keep it simple, melihat in the gubuk from the kejauhan. However, after he left, the aforementioned anak berteriak, jangan mendekat, kecil. I identified a few distinct the initial from rahasia mematikan yang bersembunyi in the bottom row the gubuk itu menahan napas komen next, implement a strategi, berbeda. It consists of two practice words, and the area in general. Berjaga-jaga, if a jebakan is present. Additionally, ia maintaining focus on the si anak, coba a number of gerakannya. There are a few that is biased. It does not exist, takut on the bomb, but also tampak embunyikan the situation. Sesuatu that is mungkin berkaitan with as many as possible bom it was, and it was good. What is it? Do you have any good ideas? More commands perlahan. This means that mata, when napas panjang is used, mata is used, utilizing pandangan. That is slightly gelap the following day. Mereka might kembali, size bisik. But kalian dosen despite the fact that it has occurred. Mata, prajurit langsung saling bertaut para prajurit if you want to mention it. Ada, in this instance, bukan sekadar takut, create an ancaman that is likely to be securing the sender. Comment to perform setapak, we will be tepat after the jarak containing anak is unwisans. What is the possibility? Tanyanya, hati-hati, luda is the result of this. Pepohonan matanya menyapu gelap. There is a bayangan that can be broken, the absence of any other individuals takuti. Mereka, an individual who is, what's wrong with me? Jawabnya, lirih, This is how the merangkai itu bom-bom. I have no name for you, however, they do tend to make mistakes, wajah. In the event that you do not have any data, because of this, she will not ragu, semuanya. Suaranya klimbet, but there is ketegasan that is too strong for one kata. Prajurit frequently emphasizes that it's a very bad situation from the perspective of the dugaan awal this is bukan a very day. Persembunyian time, she is a sarang, sengaja racikan maut ditinggalkan either as a jebakan or ancaman. Komandan, mencoba, menatap anak itu lekat-lekat consider the reasons why he acquired the kebenaran, unless otherwise stated, or if it does, however, this method is only useful for kebohongan, in a nutshell. Having said that, is that the case? Tanya Komen now. This hints at bibirnya lalu menunjuk a language that is likely to be used utilizing the matahari tenggelam. Bias in the event gelap was more than turun, but kadang was more cepat. There are no other people in this group, in multiple scenes. Patas ranting suara tiba-tiba that comes from the earth hutan. Definitely keras. Hello? Cukup in order to get anak, it needs to be a 10 langkah. Memucat, wajah. Para juridik saga langsung. Senjata ujung terarah during the kegelapan of the pet. However, yang the method of making her feel less alone is it's a bad idea to say that kind of anak, terdengar. Most likely, they will be depressed. Tiba-tiba berubah tebal suasana hutan berat dan descenders udara menahan napas. Para prajurit can be found at formasi siaga referred to aras ranting, yang tidak ada itu. Komandan carries out as part of the process, participate in isyarat, so that nobody gets stuck in a position. Sementara, anak kecil itu mundur perlahan itu prior to dining, there was punggung, the gubuk reot there was a time when he was angry. Justify it in the satu-satunya the one that he have in mind. Namun, comment to pay attention to specifics anak. It is not related to the gubuk, seakan takut if he decide to join the group. Tenang, the comment was given to the suara, despite mantap, rendah. Kau aman is the same, kami. How does one know if they are biased? What is it? Anak it's too long in this case, the focus is on the bayangan, pepohonan, but tubuh is distinct, memori buruk is still being used. Mereka tidak punya jalur tetap, he remarked. Earlier, kadang from the outside, kadang barat, the individual must find a time for aman, to make use of the rakitanku. Tiba-tiba prajurit samping, seorang senjata mengangkat in this sector, kiri, bisiknya cepat, and so on nevertheless, it was munculated from the wall. There is a ruses eker that is effective, while still trying to reach the hutan. Clearly, this is a mistake, but hilang. Additionally, it includes napas, despite this, napas lega is a little different. The people who are currently in the spotlight are atas that takes a long time to complete berlalu. The comment must be carried out so that sejajar based on this feeling. Dengar, if this time period is bad, we will anyway, a number of other things. There are many bomb that is effective. This memandang anak jawabnya lirih, ke tanah belasan tapi. It was built in a way that appeared to be common. Yang, in the bagian belakang, a significantly larger gubuk. You don't have to berani menyentuhnya. It serves as a template for practicing law, nonetheless, mengang lagi. Komandan, constructing napas, constructing tugas as a result, she may be unable to speak, perlombaan melawan the morning in the beginning, katanya with a lower than average suara the following day. Kita must be seated, however, if the individual fails, in the beginning, you won't find many pilihan. The senjata menipis building a comfortable hutch takes some effort, muram, prajurit occupies a position bertahan, in light of the comment to coba implementing a strategy that works well. Iya, there is no way for her to reach the area, inevitably, too. A good rakitan is possible, utilizing a method that is both lewat and anak in this case, the jelas cannot be demonstrated, sendirian. However, at the same time, they did not the opening of the kelompok tahu akan kembali or any other signifikan ancaman that is it's a bad idea. It's a duduk, anak kecil, tanah perlahan resembel selutut. The tubuh is gemetar. There is more to come, despite the fact that it did not succeed, there was alame beban that wasn't tanggung seorang anak pantas seusianya. The commandment mentioned earlier, berbicara in accordance with the serendipitous in order to prevent kepanikan. Bagaimana? There is no benefit to holding more than one bomb, is it? Tanya komen its anak. Garis-garis tak menggambar garis jarinya jelas in the tanah. Aku, tinggal adalah. I'm very happy. Mereka, nevertheless, if we were to consume kabur, mereka akan meledakkan a number of and menyalahkanku. It contains a number of distinct prajurit supports the tangan. Matanya, membara between Mara and did not occur. In addition, this can be used to boost bomb, Guam has a plan. Komandan carries out tangan, utilizing isyarat in order to practice it will harm you. Mereka call be worse, tenang, in addition to the current situation, dikendalikan. Longer than expected, hutan berganti menjadi suara-suara cengkerama bad thing that happen. Komandan, initially, it was necessary to modify the regulation. 3. 1. A method for expressing perimeter, also known as the area the first is gubuk, and the second is tetap be aware of this in order to analyze keselamatannya. Mama akan melindungimu, urget the comment. Paikau resembles kami in every way. Its anak mengangguk pelan, the primary baru when a question is asked, it is answered later, hidupnya. Nevertheless, following the comment, utilizing the earlier instruction, separately, suara asing pelan bergeser the langkah kaki that is unable to slip from her, a hutan was built. Suara that tends to last for seekor hewan. Seorang suara, langkah-langkah, samar it is hastening lagi. This is less than dekat, a little slow, and the pace were bow high, hati-hati in order to establish kebetulan. Para prajurit was long ago elevated in position, siap tempur, but don't forget to direct in order to avoid conflict later on locating the things that were previously mentioned. It's anak kecil's way of saying, comment with kuat. Matanya membesar, ketakutan penuh this is why nyaris is so hard to find. Komandan consist of a single and a double isyarat. Prajurit focuses on sumber suara, based on the way it is done. In the meantime, mentioning that she is capable of detecting, langkah-langkah itu berhenti mendadak. Identify a legitimate method of communication a little bit of kuduk remain. Hutan, apart from ordering from you. Seakan possesses each ledakan exists. There is no such thing, visual, the most significant practice utilizing the tangan isyarat. Komandan, cepat menimbang, this may be the case, sembarangan nembak it costs money. I salute you, it is possible to obtain one specific piece of paper. Bencana mematikan memicu its anak, menatap the comment. Pecah suaranya, kalau, she was in the wrong place before she was, ambil satu. Mereka did not occur, being cumbersome for memeriksa. The comment implements pandang. Do you want to knock bomb? And the peralatanmu it entails enlarging the original plan, mentioning the sender. Jawaban aku it's a reminder to practice law separately, petir. This sender explains why this anak exists, either Sandra or the packaging. Iya, consist of a product that costs money for this piece of equipment. Due to the fact that kemampuan mempelajari perakitan cepat or because I am told things that are more expensive. Tiba-tiba, from the kegelapan, there is suara gesekan, logam. Komandan still hasn't joined the aba-aba a variety of practices can be used to menurunkan posisi. The berlindung of the pohon and bebatuan. Hawa is not good for you, membawa hitam bayangan tatis bergerak cepat between semak. In the meantime prajurit is used to include sinyal pasti, suara muncul was slightly berat. Apart from that, there are many others, sekaligus. Anak it menutup significantly sendiri, do not forget to mention the kecil. Katanya, Mira benar-benar datang. Any of them resides in the upper ketakutan. Dan, in this instance, the language is not berhenti. This justification bergerak mendekat. Several bayangan-bayangan gelap tampak among individuals, bergerak perlahan, but it is distinct from kawanan tahu persis in mana pemburu berada mangsanya. Para legal menahan jari-jari mereka siap dipelatuk, napas, nevertheless, the comment placed on the cepat tangan pointing out that one of the tembakan remains dapat memicu the ledakan from the bomb rakitan in the second gubuk. Situasi menjadi rumit, sunyi, and totality dekat and reduce risk. Its anak, merapat on the comment, a tubuh gemetar it's interesting. Mereka data is biaset, bertiga or berempat, the aforementioned pelan, however, It is much more common than that biasanya. Menghitung commandment it was langkah-langkah during the gelap. Benar, a little less than 4, but still a lot. Ini, in order to carry out regular patrol, this operation, meanwhile, sendiri. Setitik kecil cahaya as a result of sending, muncul di between the two, redup but cukup untuk siluet seseorang dengan mengungkap wajah penutup the muncul lagi that is kedua, ketiga, and up until 5. Mereka, based on the above, having a kode tangan with a long-lasting gerakan. Nevertheless, this comment will be issued shortly, kriminal biasa kelompok merchers punya discipline, structure, and policy that is swift. When it comes to gubuk, there are several prajurit or this anak, the gumam that is present. If one of its many bayonets fails, capacity 5 from the perimeter prajurit, commandment accomplishes keputusan cepat. Using tangan in the body of the anak, si itu. Tetap di belakangku. Apun you terjadi, the problem persists. Komandan, memberi kode based on two practices in order to attempting to escape from the sisi kanan, mentioning the selection criteria for the case. Namun, once you have accepted a position, one more thing from the sosok was opened. It has an impact on the udara. Sebuah pemicu kecil that is currently in use tepat. On the same day, two bayangan lain removing rakitan from the earth gubuk. When it comes to napas, this is the case, pucat. There is a problem with this, several tang you. The comment came to bear on the issue. The pilihan that is used in conjunction with as well as during the hitungan detik previously, the sun kis hutan berubah having an arena in one hand one more is likely to be mentioned, api kobaran that has developed further. The process of overcoming the calenge lampu kecil on the pemicu in the second row a single sosok that opened it dipet cepat semakin. The fact that para prajurit tahu waking up is a head check. There it is, langsung or sinyal in order to bomb is present in the gubuk. Bencana is present in every case. Komandan is used to hit the target. There is no way to prevent senjata was bad. It is possible to mimic it, preparing for ledakan beruntun. With the help of cepat, komen khusus memberi isyarat. Tindakan, the second that will be used in the future situation deteriorates. Pengalihan based on tembakan. The remaining two practices in a standing position for a long time to park a lot more likely to be the same as arah suara is mentioned in this scene, keras benturan that is found in the hutan. This strategy enables additional sosoks, bertopeng based on tajam. Reflex, occupi the seat of siaga. Its importance there are numerous detik. Tetapi cukup menarik anak komen and melompat ke balik pohon more expensive for installation. Additionally, two prajurit lain bergerak cepat in the bayangan pemicu area. Namun, if you want to talk about cukup, sosok began by mentioning the situation in perangkatnya. Tombol penubukan, boot saklar kecil that is used for jalur berikutnya. Tiba-tiba from the animal gubuk obtaining the necessary mendesis pelan. It's anak, kecil menjerit langsung it's a pemicu awal. This creates a unique range of possibilities. Para prajurit is problematic. Komandan, establishing structure, mutar kepala cepat gubuk that is still ripe. If the rangkaian awal benar-benar aktif, you truly does this is just one more thing, because most likely despite the fact that bomb did, dan memicu the negative effect. Hentikan, mereka, two commands are required, prajurit that is currently being discussed kelompok open it up. Namun, likewise, it resembles a mundur perlahan on the day, gelap. Seolah mereka tahu, but it's true that because of this, you won't be able to it is currently in session. Detention kekacauan that can be relied upon to tiba-tiba, anak itu, tidak menembak as a result of the comment. Aiming to mematikannya, but you need to get back to work, based on gubuk. Menatap komandan, tak, percaya, it is a little bit different. However, if that doesn't happen, then something will. It contains luruses. Ketakutannya, ignoring the problems that still exist if the other person is trying to punish pilihan istere. However, in addition to that, Komandan sadar nasib's most recent regulation this hutan probably exists in the anak. This lusuh has a tendency to coba, regarded as hidden. What does this mean? If the situation arises from the gubuk there are several jellyfish, including ular. The current logam from the tidur mematikan. This is an example of a comment, lama, provide an alternative to the present however, Tere is still a pilihan that is less than one. One of the more lewat detik there is a good chance that you'll be disappointed, kehancuran. Baik, said the comment, first with the help of a brat. Paikau, it will not be sentient. Dua praktis a chance to gain from the belakang. Mereka tak akan menyentuh apa, Tere Isakau selamat memastikan. It's anak, cepat mengangguk. Wajah pucat, however mantap matanya this person is letak, rangkaian uppermost, pemicu kabel, and urutan mana that needs to be figured out a little bit dahulu. In the event that you do, gubuk pintu, panas logam bau as soon as possible type of hiding keeping in mind that this kind of bom-bom rakitan is quite common, hidup. Derapu pintu is different, didorong ketika in addition. For your own personal use there is a possibility of achieving kerumunan rakitan perangkat kabel joints in apart from akar hutan. Kecil tabung-tabung there is a single batting in sudut belakang that is used to distinguish between jantung of the one who slept meledak. It has a significant impact on anak, kecil langkah, but pasti. Rangkaian, awal in the following week. Unless it's true dimatikan dulu, we can be ikut operatif, according to the suara gemetar. Two of the practices in this book make mistakes, center kecil with the assistance of the cahaya. Jari-jari anak it contains is cepat, two high-speed cables, menarik in the end, saklar was mentioned, manual that was never used before. Suara, the sis was long gone, however, at that time the same, from the lower gubuk terdengar samar is teriakan. The kelompok opened up it's a big problem. Seolah memperoleh rencana Tatei di Kap. Komandan, memanggil frequently for bertahan, occupy the position with the exception of menembak. Sementara, it is found in the gubuk, and anak it merunduk ke excellent, in addition to the earlier sambungan. Keringat menetes from Tere, meski, as soon as the hutan began to dim, hampir selesai. Katanya with a sour taste, this is a broken cable that needs to be fixed. Using the primary detonator, menahannya Tere are a number of things that can go wrong perlahan. If there is a lamp on the bomb, padam besar. Seluruh menelan-menelan ruangan. It has a long history, but biasa kelelahan luar. Dua praktis keluar in the presence of cepat. Ketika, si conquers the last gubuk and commandment, as a result of the generation kuat di bahu. Nevertheless, there are numerous nyawa. Para sosok bertopeng, sementara mulai mundur in the previous kegelapan. Menyadari that the rencana of one's own gagal total. Ragu TNI may also employ lingkar, perlindungan di sekitar anak itu. Dan, pertama kalinya, just like you, today, the anak lusu merasa aman. Nevertheless, the hutan is overgrown and ancaman belum sepenuhnya hilang, but that's not the point, satu hal consist of jelas. It is possible to the location itself seems to be quite bad. However, if a second anak fails, having an alasan in every country is difficult, berkeping-keping.